Hey beauties, it is me, your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And I know I keep going missing on and off. You guys understand why I keep going missing on and off. I don't even really want to talk about it right now. But today seems like a good day to sit in front of the camera and chat with you guys. So, I know you guys see from the title, today is an unpopular opinions video. And do not mind my voice. For some reason, because of the climate change in New York City, I got sick. So I'm gonna have to deal. But yeah, I'm doing an unpopular opinions video. I've always wanted to do one, and every time I sat down in front of my camera to do one, I felt like I was stepping on toes and y'all was going to attack me in the comments. But Suze, I don't care. So if you don't like my opinions, which I am entitled to one, get to step it. I don't care. It's my opinion. I'm going to say how I feel. I will not be saying everything I'm using, but like always, all the products will be in the description bar down below. My fan is on, so if you hear anything in the background, you know that. And also, if you hear any other noise, that's my surroundings. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias and enjoy. Tomatoes are disgusting. Okay? Tomatoes are disgusting. Not the whole tomato though. Just the insides. That little gooey, slimy part that it has going on in there. Nasty. Tomatoes are not the only thing that's disgusting. So is curry. I don't care. Fight me. I don't care. Curry is nasty. It stinks. And it tastes nasty. And they'll tell me, oh, you're Jamaican, or oh, you never got from the right person. My grandmother knows to cook enough. My grandmother knows to cook. I just don't eat curry. I know all my fellow Jamaicans are going to curse me out. And they're going to tell me, you know, you're not Jamaican because you don't eat curry. I know Jamaicans don't eat a lot of stuff that I was raised on. It's all about personal preference. Like my mother hates oxtail. You cannot get my mother to eat a piece of oxtail, and I don't know why. But my mother does not eat oxtail. Sponges aren't necessary for makeup. They're cool and all, but they're not a necessity. Brushes are though. This is just what I learned from doing makeup recently. I could do a full face without a sponge. Not only myself, but on time. City girls are cool and all, but they're not my favorite. I don't even really consider music like that. I don't even know the names of the songs. They're just cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying I don't like them. I'm just saying they're not on my radar. But do that, like the beginning of that one song, real ass bitch, give a fuck by the nigga. Big Birkin bag, quote 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he calls pussy tender. Fucking on skimming ass rich ass nigga. After that, I don't know nothing else. Makeup artists are not miracle makers. Okay? Don't let Instagram fool you. It took a lot of makeup and a lot of time. Okay? I can't turn you into somebody else. I don't know special effects. Sometimes the drugstore products be better than the high end. I know. Quote me. Quote me. Quote me. Quote me. Morphe brushes are amazing. Their brushes are amazing. I didn't say everything. Their brushes are amazing. Okay? Black businesses, not all, but some, especially artistry, such as makeup artists and hairstylists. I gotta be more professional. Okay? Had some instances, I can't be bothered. I don't want to fight with you. Just want to get my hair done and go up on the business. Alright? I want to elaborate on this. I don't mind washing my hair before I get there, okay? I don't mind having to go through that. But do not tell me to straighten my hair if I'm natural, okay? Don't tell me to straighten my hair because I thought braids were a protective style. How am I going to protect my hair from my hair damaging it so that you can braid it? It's not fair. It's not fair. Also, people who do weaveologists, how you gonna charge them $350, $400, and they gotta come with their hair washed and braided? Wow, disrespectful. By the way, I ain't going nowhere, alright? I'm not going nowhere. I just wanted to do this video, and I wanted to play around with this 39S palette. When I'm done putting down sort of base part, I'm gonna show y'all this palette, because this palette is really cute. Look at this thing. Isn't it pretty? I'm going to be playing around 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do a simple smoky eye with these colors. Braiders, especially now in 2019 where a lot of people are natural or going natural, they should have a lot more knowledge about natural hair. A lot more. About how to detangle natural hair, how to treat natural hair, how to deal with natural hair. You shouldn't be tugging in my scalp. You should not be detangling my hair the wrong way. Like, who taught you? Whoa. Rap music nowadays is whack. Okay, these are the little rappers. They're not doing it for me. Except for J. Cole. I need some meaning behind my music. Bright colored hair. Don't get me wrong, it is beautiful. But when that wig is raggedy, oh, fix it. Okay, put a hat on it. You'll just be walking around with your frontal just flopping in the wind. Keep that shit neat. It's colored hair. It can go from beautiful to ratchet really quick. People are too sensitive in 2019. Okay? People are way too freaking sensitive. Now, I'm not saying as far as race stuff, because I'm very sensitive when it comes to that. I'm saying as far as everything else. If it don't apply, let it fly. Shit. If you hiding behind a fake page, you're whack. I don't care. Instagram bodies, they look deformed. Okay? They do. To me, they look insane. I can't be bothered. I can't look at them. They make my body hurt. Okay. Some people about to be mad. The makeup industry is becoming more about drama than it is about makeup, and it's making me sick. Are we about makeup or not? Are we? Are we about makeup or not? It's driving me crazy. Okay? I know you guys want to be paid attention to, and I know you guys want to get noticed, but shit. Do some fucking makeup. Pick up a brush. I feel like I see the same looks over and over now. I'm guilty of it. The same makeup looks. Semi-cut crease, some glitter, big lash, boom. Some big ass lashes that y'all be wearing, them super big ones. I mean, I wear big lashes too, but the super big lashes, they're ugly. I said it. Okay, they're ugly. Especially when you wear them and you don't wear eyeshadow. It's just concealer on your lids and that big dirty lash. It looks horrible. Where are you going? Instagram makeup is beautiful, okay? Gorgeous. During the day, it is not everyday daytime makeup. I don't know who told y'all that. Calm it down. Okay? Full face, cool. With a lash, cool. But if you're going to the grocery store, take it down. Jesus. A whole red eye, rainbow eye, on a Monday at 11 a.m. Come on. Come on. Cancel culture is whack. You guys cancel everything. And I don't really be canceling everything. When I cancel something, I'm legit canceling it. Like, no return to sender, can't come back on my channel, can't go back in my house. It's canceled. Other people who like canceling people, y'all cancel people for like 2 days. Pranks are whack. They're fake as fuck. I watch them sometimes if I don't have nothing to watch on YouTube, because they're the worst. I hate pranks. You know they're fake. Okay. You guys are bad actors. But you will never catch your good sis Jessica Nicole ever doing a prank on any channel show every week. I'm looking at making a new channel, to be honest. Like a lifestyle channel. Podcasts are popping. They're so popping. I like podcasts. I listen to them while I'm driving. I listen to them while I'm cooking. And y'all should have been putting me onto podcasts. Podcasts are popping. They have like any type of podcast you want to listen to. And it makes me want to do one about makeup. Like find a couple friends and do a makeup podcast with them. Love this foundation. I'm telling you, if you don't have this foundation, go get it. Because it is life in a bottle. I think every girl at my store has this foundation now. At the store I work at. Okay, unpopular opinion. New York, fuck with y'all heavy, because I'm from here. But dead ass, New York weather is mad shitty. Okay? Had to say it in my, like, New York weather is shitty. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Our weather sucks. Other than New York's weather being very shitty. We're mad popping. Like, y'all can't front. New York is mad popping. Y'all want to be here. Y'all want to be with us. Okay. It's starting to be overpopulated by people that's not from here. But you know, YouTube has lost its zest. What do I mean by that? YouTube is not how it used to be. It used to be fun. It used to be cute. I used to enjoy YouTube. I feel like it's like very watered down now. It's not what it used to be. There's a lot of people on here with like big personalities and said what they want, and now I feel like YouTube is like everybody gotta walk on eggshells, and I don't know, YouTube to me is not the same. Black people are popping, right? Black people are popping. I don't care who feels a way about that. We are popping. We may be having a little issues here and there sometimes, but we're popping as hell. Okay, we're doing things that people didn't even want us to do. We are popping. And with saying that Black people have been killing it, Black love, all in all, is so beautiful. I get so happy to see couples, all couples, but I love love, and I love Black love especially. Brows after foundation, fight me. Okay, brows before foundation, I do not get that definition that I like. So I only do the bottom part so I can do my eyes when I'm doing crazy eyes. But if I am doing my everyday look, brows after foundation. Cleaning up the top of your brows, I question you, question everything you're about. when you clean up the top of your brows. And I see a lot of people do it, but I swear to you, when I used to do it, I used to get a mad flashback around my brows. Caribbean culture is popping. Not only Jamaican culture, because I know some people are going to be like, oh, she wants to do Jamaican culture. No, I don't. I mean, all Caribbean culture, from being Latin to being from St. Croix, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, St. Vincent, all of that. Of course, Jamaica, because the way Geminis are popping. That's a very unpopular opinion, and I know it is, but guess what? I don't care. Yeah, I hate Geminis. I don't know what we did to y'all. Why y'all panties be so bunched up? Why y'all hate on us so much? But we're not apologizing for it. I'm speaking on behalf of all Geminis. We're not apologizing. Alyssa Forever, Gemini. Emery, Gemini. Biggie, Tupac, Left Eye, Gemini. Kendrick Lamar, Gemini. Do you want me to keep going? I can talk about this all day. College is not for everybody. Speaking from somebody who dropped out, college is not for everyone. Do not push your beliefs on me. Hey, I dropped out for a reason. And if you do, kudos, and I want you to stay in and push through it. For me, college is not for me. I'm living proof. They never love artists until they're gone. What I mean by that? They need Tupac, Left Eye, Basquiat, just to name a few. I feel like nobody really showed love to them. Nipsey Hussle, nobody really showed love to them as much. And I'm not gonna say that they didn't get love, but like they got more love after they left this earth, which is not fair. Don't mind my frizz, alright? This braid's gotta go. By the way, my birthday is June 2nd, so of course they're gonna go. Prices are not negotiation. Okay? If somebody gives a price and they don't nowhere in the fine print to say prices are negotiable, do not try to negotiate their price. This world has gone to shit. And it's scaring the fuck out of me. Y'all think I'm joking, I'm dead serious. The world has gone to shit and I am scared. Oh, last one. Watermelon is nasty. It has no taste. Fight me. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. List some of your unpopular opinions in the comments down below. Kind of enjoyed this video. I got to unload a lot of my popular opinions. And I'm going to post this video. I don't care. Anywho, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.